Okay, good morning class 9. This is your part 2 video from exercise 5.2, that is simultaneous linear equation. And in last class, the first video, we learned the substitution method. By using the substitution method, how to solve the equation and find out the value of x and y. Now in this exercise, we learn about the which method? Elimination method. Elimination method. Okay, so elimination method. Elimination method means that is removing, actually removing, okay, removing the one variables, because we using the elimination method to find out the value of x and y. You remove one variables, automatically you get the value of the other variables. After getting the value of other variables, you just put out the value, okay, and get the answer. What the procedure to find out the elimination method? First of all, multiply one or both equation. Either you multiply the one equations or both equation by a suitable number that transform them so as to addition or subtraction, and will eliminate one variable. If you eliminate the one variable, automatically you get the answer of the other variable. Okay, just check out the example. One question I will do for you, that is 3x plus 4y is equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y equals to 2. It's totally depend upon you that if you want to eliminate y or x. Okay, if you want to eliminate x, suppose this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. If you want to eliminate x, then you multiply equation 2 by this x number and multiply this equation by this x number. If you want to eliminate y, so multiply equation 2 by this y number and multiply equation 1 by this y number. That means cross multiply. Okay, so if you want to eliminate x, so multiply equation 2 by this equation number. What is this? 3, and equation 1 by 2. Done. That means this equation is multiply this number and this equation is multiply this number. If you want to eliminate x, if you want to eliminate y, then multiply by the number of y. Okay, so when you multiply, so you write here, multiply equation 1 and equation 2 by 2 and 3 respectively. If you multiply the equation 1 by 2, that is 2 into 3x, 6x plus 8y, 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20. Here is 3 2s are 6x minus 3 2s are 6y and 3 2s are 6. Why you actually multiply? That both the number getting equal, and you usually addition process or subtraction process, subtract this number, remove one variable and getting one variable and get the answer. Okay, so you see this is your equation 3 and this is your equation 4. Here you write subtract equation 3 and 4. Okay, so when we subtract, the sign of denominator portion is getting changes. Okay, so this plus 6, this minus 6 cancel, you automatically eliminate. How you eliminate? Just you multiply, cross multiply, and you just eliminate the x, because we know that we want to eliminate the x. That's why you multiply the equation 2 by number of x, that is 3, and 1 by the 2. Okay, so after eliminating, you see that this is plus 8y and this is plus 6y, because when you subtract, the sign getting changed. This is the original sign of the 6y. What the sign? This is plus. So plus 6 plus 8 and 16, that is 8 or 6, that is 14y equals to 20 is plus and 6 is minus. So 20 minus 6, that is 14. So therefore value of y is 14 by 14, 1. Usually get the value of 1. How? Because you remove the one variable, automatically you get the other variable's answer. Okay, you get the value of y. You have lot of equation 1 2 3 4. Just put the value of y in any equation as you wish. Okay, putting value of y in any equation. So I want to put the value of y in equation 1. What the equation 1? That is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. So 3x plus 4 in place of y, we write down 1 is equals to 10. So 3 plus 4 is equals to 10. So 3x equals to 10 minus 4, that is 3x equals to 6, therefore x equals to 6 upon 3, that is 2. So the value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. Okay, note. Now time for question number 2, subpart 1, that is 3 upon 4x minus 2 upon 3y is equals to 1, and here is 3x by 8 minus 1y by 6 equals to 1. Okay, just give me some time to check the question. 3x 4y minus 2y 3y equals to 1. 3x 8 minus 1y. Okay. Okay. First of all, we arrange the question in the proper form. That is taking the LCM of 4 or 3. That is 12. So 12 divided by 4. That is 3. So 3 3s are 9x minus 12 divided by 3. That is 4. 4 2s are 8y equals to 1. So the equation is 9x minus 8y. 12 1 is 12. This is your equation 1. Done. Okay, here you give the LCM is 8 or 6 LCM, that is 24. So this one divided this one, that is 3 3s are 9x minus this one divided this one, that is 4. So 4 1s are 4y equals to 1. So 9x minus 4y, 1 into 24, that is 24. Equation 2. You can easily see that there is already equal 9x 9x. So no need to multiply with anyone. You just, why you multiply both the equation? To equalize, because if the one variable is equal, can usually apply the subtraction or addition to eliminate the one variables. If already this one is equal, there is no need to change it. There is no need to multiply the any equation by any number. Okay, so equation 1 and equation 2 you just write, only subtract equation 1 and equation 2, because you see 9x minus 8y is equals to 12 and 9x minus 4y equals to 24. You see this one is equal. So if you apply the subtraction sign, the sign automatically get changed. So plus 9x minus 9x cancel, minus plus minus, put the bigger value sign, and 8 minus 4, that is 4y, plus minus minus, put the bigger value sign, and 12 minus 24, that is minus 12. So minus minus cancel, y equals to 12 by 4, that is 3. So the value of y is 3. Okay, now turn for the x, putting the value of y in equation 1 or equation 2. So putting, I just like to put the value of y in equation 1, putting the value of y in equation 1. So in equation 1, what the equation? 9x minus 8y equals to 12. So 9x minus 8, in place of y you write down 3 equals to 12. So 9x minus 24 equals to 12. So 9x equals to 12 plus 24. So 9x equals to 36. Therefore x equals to 36 upon 9, that is 4. So the value of x is what? 4. Okay. Note. Now turn for question number 4.1. That is question 4.1 is for subpart 1. X upon 6 equals to y minus 6. Okay. Now 3x by 4 equals to 1 plus y. First of all, we arrange the question in proper manner. That is x, this 6 going this side, multiply, that is y minus 6. X equals to 6y minus 6 6 is 36. So x, this 6y come this side, that is minus 6y equals to minus 36. This is your equation 1. Okay. 3x, this 4 going this side, that is 4 multiply 1 plus y. So 3x equals to 4 plus 4y. So 3x this plus come by this side, that is minus 4y is equals to 4, equation 2. Okay, if you want to eliminate the number x, then you multiply equation 1 by this number of x, what is written here, 3, and equation 2 by, because nothing is written here, that means 1, so multiply equation 2 by 1. We know that very well. If you want to eliminate the variable x, then multiply equation 1 by this x number and multiply equation 2 by this x number, cross multiply. Okay, so when you multiply equation 1 by 3, first of all you write down that multiply equation 1 by 3, so that is 3 into x, 3x, 3 6 18y, and minus 3 into 36, that minus 108. Okay, and you see equation 2, if multiply by the 1 give the same number, because any number is multiplied by the 1, that give the product is same number. Okay, so this is your equation 3, because if equation 1 multiply by 3, we take this equation is 3, and equation 2 is same as, okay, that is 3x minus 4y is equals to 4. This is your equation 2. So we write subtract equation 3 and 2. Okay, done. You see during subtraction sign getting changed, plus minus cancel, minus plus minus giving the bigger value sign, minus 18 plus 4, that is minus 14y, minus minus plus give the bigger value sign, that is 112. So y minus minus cancel, y equals to 112 by 14, that is 8. Then we get the value of y. Now you have three equations, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Putting the value of y in any equation as you like. Putting the value of y in equation 1. So what is equation 1? X minus 6y equals to minus 36. So x minus 6 in place of y write down 8 equals to minus 36. So x minus 48 minus 36. So x minus 36 plus 48, that is 12. Okay, note. Now turn for question number 5.1, that is 9 minus x minus 4 is equals to y plus 7. And another is 2 x plus y equals to 4 minus 3y. Okay, so 9 minus x minus minus plus 4 equals to y plus 7. Then here is 9 plus 4, 13, minus x is y plus 7. 7 comes this side, x going this side, because x positive is looking good. So 13 minus 7, x plus y, minus x going this plus. Okay, so 13 minus 7 is 6 equals to x plus y. That means our equation is x plus y equals to 6. This is your equation 1. Done na? Okay. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into y, 2y, 4 minus 3y. So 2x plus 2y minus 3y come this side, that is plus 3y equals to 4. So 2x, this plus 2 plus 3, 5y equals to 4. This is your equation 2. Okay. Again, if you want to eliminate x, then multiply equation y by this x number, what is written here, 2, and multiply equation 2 by this x number, nothing is written, that means 1. If any number multiply by 1, give the same number. Okay, so we write here multiply equation 1 by 2, so that is 2x plus 2y is equals to 12. This is your equation 3. And this is equation 2, same, that is 2x plus 5y is equals to 4, equation 2. Subtract equation 3 and equation 2. Know that na, during the subtraction sign getting changed, plus sign minus, plus sign minus, plus sign minus. Okay, so plus minus minus giving sign for the bigger value, and 5 minus 2, that is 3y, plus minus minus, bigger value is 12, so the 12 sign is positive, that is positive 8. So value of y is 8 upon 3, and minus sign also. Okay, minus 3y. So the value of y is minus 8 by 3. Answer coming fraction. Okay, putting the value of y in equation 1. What our equation 1? X plus y equals to 6. So x plus, in place of y write down minus 8 by 3 equals to 6. So x minus 8 by 3 equals to 6. So x equals to 6. This minus 8 by 3 going this side, that is plus 8 by 3. So x equals to 3, 18 plus 8, that is 26 by 3. So x equals to 26 by 3 and y equals to minus 8 by 3. Note.